Y'all, look what I found. A little slice of heaven, man. See all that water? I'm in Roosevelt, Arizona right now. This is not BLM land, but this is forest land. So I can go ahead and stay here for 2 weeks, completely scot-free. Y'all, look at the river. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see that shit. Look at this. Hold on, let me zoom it. Dude, do you see the river? Oh, water. Gorgeous beauty. All around me, I needed this. I needed this. Just a little vacation away from everything. Oh, I love that I'm camping once a week. Yes. Yo, look at this. What? Yo, look at this, man. This is gorgeous. This really, it doesn't do it justice, what I'm actually seeing here. It really doesn't. But wow. We're going the wrong direction. I hope this guy doesn't try to go over it, because he's gonna get hit. Look. This is not the weirdest thing ever. Super weird. We just gotta stay on this side. But look at this. Honestly, love mountains. Y'all, look what I found. A little slice of heaven, man. See all that water? I'm in Roosevelt, Arizona right now. This is not BLM land, but this is forest land. So I can go ahead and stay here for 2 weeks, completely scot-free. It is gorgeous. There's so many fish here. So many fish here. What's good, y'all? Yo, I am over at Eucalyptus Watch. That is this gorgeous river here. I don't know if you can see it. See this? This long ass river? And I got to fish today. It's really easy to catch these fish because look, I don't know if you can see them, but they gathered. There's a whole bunch of them in this little area over here, but I can see them pretty well. I don't know if you guys can, but there's a whole bunch of fish right here. A whole bunch of them. They're huge. And they tried to swim back upstream, but they can't. So they kind of cluster over here. Like I just ran into one. But yeah, I'm still in Arizona. But look at all this beautiful water. I caught a fish. I wasn't able to eat all of it. I gave some to my dog, but she threw up. So, you know, she's got a really sensitive stomach. It makes no sense. She can only eat prescription food. It's fucking ridiculous. But look at this. All this beautiful wildlife here. Just chilling. Few fish. But they're stuck on my net. I only need one of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring them back inshore. And then cut one loose. Word. I caught some fish, y'all. So, remember when I said I think that we overeat and that we should catch our own food? I caught my own fish. Sorry, guy. You gotta go. I don't know how to fillet them yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and cook the rest of this guy too. But yeah, I caught them myself. So, like this, for example. You see this big ass fish just chilling here? They are super easy to catch, y'all. Well, I'll show you where the really good spot is. The really good spot is around here. You're gonna see a whole bunch of them just cluster up. Let me show you. Oh, I stepped on it. Here we go. Look at all of those. Oh. I hope that actually caught on the camera. Look at that. And they cluster together, making them super easy to catch. I love it. I would rather live here than in a 4x4 house or cubicle called houses. Look at this. I keep on bumping into fish because there's so much. The land provides, y'all. The land provides. Y'all, so I was able to catch a fish, 3 fishes actually. I cooked it. I didn't know how to fillet it, so you know, but it cooked. I didn't really know how to kill it either, so I don't think it was painless for it because it was still breathing. I felt really bad about that, but I was able to feed me and my dog with the fish, and also some of the birds. I gave them a little bit so they could enjoy it too. But yeah, overall, I'd say that this was pretty successful. I slept in my car this time around because there's a rabies warning. Like, there might be animals with rabies, and I was like, nah, I'm good. So I slept in the car this go around. But that water was gorgeous. Really needed it. So I'm definitely coming back to this spot too. But yeah, y'all. Oh, and I bought some boots, some water boots and some water shoes because I was not prepared. I had my regular hiking boots. I didn't think there was going to be that much water. I went to Walmart, and man, tell me how I forgot the boots at Walmart. So I'm about to go back over there and show them my receipt and all that good jazz. But yeah, see you guys. Peace.